welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make basic outfits look cute, because why not? Everybody has some basic clothes in their wardrobe which are just plain and bland, so you want to give it a little bit of mix, and here are some outfits that I had which are pretty basic and I'll make them look cute. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, as I'm gonna reach 100 subscribers, and please make it happen. So turn the bell notifications on, share this video, comment what you felt about it, give me some new suggestions. Here's my Instagram ID, you can follow me there. So without any further ado, let's go. So this is the first outfit. We're going to be doing color coordination and tucking. So this is a striped tee here, and I'm going to be taking and rolling the front of it and tucking it into my jeans and pulling the sides out for a more chill look. As you can see, it has given a more cinched and defined look to my waist. Now I'm going to be taking my blue hat. So everything is blue here, and we're going to be adding my blue shoes too. By the way, these are really comfy. So everything here is a different shade of blue and looks really cool. You can do this with any color. This is how it looks from the down with my shoes. This is me doing some weird footwork. I was just editing my video right now. It's around 12:30 a.m. and this is just a reminder for you guys. If you haven't liked this video and subscribed yet, please do, because I haven't worked so hard for a video like this till now. And this video was so hard to make because this video is around just 8 minutes and it took me 2 days to film this video. I gave up all my games with my friends and my legs are still so sore, and my room is a mess with clothes and shoes of the video. I have to still clean it up, and I'm editing right now, and editing is not an easy task. So I hope it's all worth it and you guys can continue. Bye. So for the second outfit, we're going to be cropping and layering. So this is a pretty plain t-shirt, and cropping is a really nice way of making something plain look much better. I'm tying a knot using the cloth of the shirt, but you can use a hair tie too. And I'm putting a shirt on top. So this is a really good way when it's cold and you still want to look good. And I'm adding my white shoes to it. So I forgot to mention this in the previous outfit clip, but folding your jeans. So folding your jeans makes your jeans look more clean and vintage. Just look at the difference. It gives a more sporty vibe too. So in this video, I'm not going to be showing you more of accessorizing. You can accessorize it how you want to. I'm adding a backpack here. So you see the difference? So for this third outfit, we're going to be layering again, but this layering is a bit different. As you can see, this is just a shirt and my skirt. So I'm going to be tucking the shirt into the skirt and adding a t-shirt on top. So I'm not a big fan of the front side of it, so I'm going to be wearing it backwards. You can do this too. It's a really good way of giving the back designs a better chance. And again, I'm going to be tucking it in. You can do this even with pants. So this part is pretty important too. Take out the collar if your shirt has one. It just makes it look so much better. Here I'm adding my favorite boots. So it's so hot and I'm going to change my hairstyle. Here are the boots with the skirt. This looks way cuter than before. Adding menswear. So adding menswear can be a really good option because it's really in trend right now and very comfortable. So you can just take your dad's or brother's shirt and just throw it on. I'm using my brother's shirt here on this plain black dress. taking the collars and folding them in. Now I'm taking the ends of the shirt and tying it. So as I said previously, cropping stuff can make them look way better. And now I'm folding the sleeves of the shirt. It just gives it a more sophisticated look. Fold it twice or thrice and pull it upwards. So you see, it just looks so much better. So if you want, you can just button up the button. So I like it this way. And if you want, you can just tuck the excess into, but I like it this way again. I'm accessorizing it using a pearl necklace. Again, you can do whatever you want. It's really just your choice. These are the shoes I decided to go for. This just looks so much better than the plain black dress. So again, this is a great example for using men wear plus giving it some shape. So this is a 4XL t-shirt that I got from the men's section, and you can just put a belt on it, preferably to how tight you want it to be, and then you can just layer it up. Layering never fails. So I'm adding this half sleeve denim jacket, and again this white shoes. So like this, it is much more wearable and sporty. So guys, I hope that you like this video, and meet you in another video. Bye.